Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to send money through PayPal using an email address. First, you'll want to log into your PayPal account. Once you're securely logged in, look for the Send and Request tab at the top of the page. Click on this tab, and then select the Send option to start your money transfer. It's a straightforward process designed for your convenience. Next, you'll need to provide the recipient's details. Enter their email address or mobile number into the designated field. Then, specify the exact amount of money you wish to send. You can also add a short, optional note to let the recipient know what the payment is for. This helps keep your transactions clear and organized for everyone involved. Now, it's crucial to select the correct payment type. If you're sending money to friends or family, choose the Friends and Family option. For purchasing items or services, select Goods and Services. Be aware that goods and services transactions typically include buyer and seller protection and may involve a small fee for the seller. Make your choice carefully. Finally, it's time to review and confirm your payment. Double-check all the transaction details, including the recipient, amount, and payment type. Ensure your preferred funding source, like your bank account or card, is selected. Once everything looks correct, click the Send Money Now button to complete the transfer. Your money will be on its way in just a few moments.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.